She Digger, we are ready for our first event. Making his way to the ring. He will be facing one of the regs who don't seem like action anyhow. Oh my God. Look at him. And now, ladies and gentlemen, his opponent, a member of one of the oldest groups in the FWF. Now coming out, Reg George. There they are coming out of firing hardcore. And there was something. I don't know what it was, but what a great way to kick things off for today. And it's done. And he just barely kicked him in the sack. I know, he did a little harder that time. And Keg is now on top of things here. And Reg George is not enjoying it. Whips him into the ropes. And there's a hard clothesline there, ain't it, Scott? And he's picking up a chair now. I asked you to help me commentate, and you're not saying nothing, Scott. And see here, Keg he's taking the early advantage here on the veteran. And he's locking him in. The old figure four. What now? Figure four set on Reg George. Yeah, you're right. It is said on him. Using the rope. I guess he wasn't cheating. Trying to use the rope. There! And Reg George hits him just barely with that shovel. That's one way out of it. But it was enough to flip him over. There you can see him. Reg George is struggling to get out. And he does. And now Reg George is firing back. Reg George now taking advantage of Keg. And he... Oh, man! Nails him with that chair. Yes, it was. It was a good one there, Scott. We've been to the ropes. And a clothesline. And that took Keg down. And now he's picking him up. And there's a famous by Reg George. Now, are the other Regs in the house tonight, Scott? Or do you know? I have no idea. Well, they might be. And Reg George is picking him up for something. And he throws him down. He calls that the Snuffalo Slam. Where he's in there hunting. Reg George laying the chair over the face. Hunting for Snuffalo. Oh, what's he doing now? He's climbed up to the top. Get him, George! Up on the top turnbuckle, Reg George. Look at this. Chair on the face. He's off. Oh! God, he scoped it. There's the cover. 1, 2. Oh, he barely kicked out of that. How did he kick out of that? I have no idea. I don't either. But he did, and he's up, and that, oh, man. Reg George taking advantage. What do you think about our top view there, Scott? Yep, hits his head in the turnbuckle. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this match has some great, like, stuff to it, or something. Oh, it slams him down hard. The winner of this match gets a free trip. Well, there's the cover. Oh, leg on the rope. No, you sack. He's on the rope. There's no count. Oh, he barely kicks out. Now, anyway, what I'm saying was, the winner of this match gets a free trip to London, England. England? Yeah, and the loser gets a free cavity search courtesy of the racist. Oh, no. always got a reason to win, don't they?
And oh yeah, they do. Okay, picking up a chair.
Hard.
Oh, nails him in the leg.
And that ref is right there in front of Jody. Slamming the chair into his chest. Oh, on his foot. And
hits him in the back.
oh no, Keg now setting him up.
Keg is going to go for some revenge for what happened to him last time, what Rick George did. Oh, he stomps on it hard.
Uh-oh. Keg now taking aggression to the mat.
Oh, yeah. And he, a full Nelson slam. A hard full Nelson slam.
There's a cover. One.
That ain't a cover. It's a submission. And Rick George is pulling outside. Ring that bell. Ladies and gentlemen, there's your winner. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Here come the Reds. Oh, the Reds just nailing it. Every Red now. Here comes Equity. It's an all-out battle royal. There is just total mayhem in the ring. The ref has no idea what to do.
Ding, ding.
Equity coming and showing authority inside the ring. Clearing it out in a quick. And I guess, what does that mean? It's part of Equity. Apparently so. Well, that was a great match. Oh, and attack from behind on the wrist. That's Thomas taking out anything to move. We got a rumble outside the ring. Greg Thomas paying for jumping Equity is back. Equity's just leaving his injured body outside the ring. It seems that Equity now has a new member.